In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of fake human verification alerts related to the site News-nuyoya.cc. Frankly speaking, the name of this site, of course, does not really make any sense. News-nuyoya.cc tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. The truth is that it's actually a mistake to click on allow. If it was mistakenly clicked, your browser will be hijacked and infected with numerous advertisements that would be attacking the screen. If you have clicked on allow button, fix your browser by accessing the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings. Then in permissions, choose notifications and pay attention to the websites allowed to display notifications. If you find any malicious sites here, get rid of them from the list. To make sure that your computer is free of other possibly concealed threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.